Mastering maintenance. Medline digitizes to simplify regulatory compliance. Excelsior Medical is a Medline medical device manufacturer based in New Jersey. The company manufactures vital medical items like pre-filled saline syringes used in IV lines. Excelsior's machinery needs continuous maintenance and accurate reporting to meet strict governmental regulations. But Excelsior was struggling to manage binders full of paper-based calibration and testing data. They had trouble generating the accurate reports they needed for audits and regulatory compliance. That's when Excelsior Medical turned to eMaint, a Fluke Reliability company. Excelsior leveraged eMaint's robust data tracking and reporting capabilities across more than 1,000 assets and related spare parts. The company revamped their operating procedures and ditched paper-based records. Now, Excelsior can quickly update and custom tailor forms for evolving regulations. In 1 year, the company's New Jersey plant alone completed nearly 1,000 calibration work orders, more than 3,500 corrective work orders, some 300 facilities work orders, and more than 8,000 PMs. You too can take your maintenance management strategy to the next level. Contact eMaint today.